Good evening, afternoon, or morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back for another YouTube video. It is me, All in Crypto here, and today we are going to be covering PancakeSwap. A lot of requests, seems to be a lot of interest about PancakeSwap, and I think that is for a good reason. In this video, guys, we're going to be covering what PancakeSwap is and really looking at what the price potential of PancakeSwap could be. And I want to first highlight something very, very interesting. When you look at Pancake's chart, or the cake chart against the US dollar on Binance, and how Uniswap really started off. You see this, when the tokens were sort of released and first sort of published, you see a sell-off, and then of course we all know what happened with Uniswap. Are you going to see a similar thing play out for PancakeSwap? I'm going to be sharing whether I think that is going to be the case or not later on in the video. But to start off, guys, we're going to be looking at PancakeSwap, and I'm going to be trying to tell you what PancakeSwap is. And PancakeSwap is the largest exchange in terms of volume, largest decentralized exchange in terms of volume at the moment. So let's start off with what PancakeSwap is. Now, PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange where people like me and you can provide liquidity for other normal people to essentially trade between tokens. So a centralized exchange, as an example, is something like Coinbase, something like Kraken, something like Binance. And a decentralized exchange is something like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or Mooniswap. And there are a number of other exchanges out there. The main difference is really in a centralized exchange, it's the sort of the actual company that own that exchange that benefit from providing the liquidity, and they really get to set the rates, etc., etc. On a decentralized exchange, it's normal people. Anybody can provide liquidity. The only sort of requirement is that you have the tokens to actually provide the liquidity for. So, with that said, why is there an interest in PancakeSwap? Well, for those of you who are familiar with Uniswap and PancakeSwap essentially are the same thing. However, Uniswap runs on the Ethereum network, PancakeSwap runs on the Binance Smart Chain network. And there is a fundamental difference here, and that is not only the speed, but the actual price. It is far, far faster and far, far cheaper to trade between tokens on PancakeSwap than it is Uniswap. And if we look at sort of PancakeSwap's price today, it's currently at $12.80. It's up around about 2.2% on the daily, down around about 7% essentially on the 7 days, and currently has a market cap of $1.59 billion, guys. If you compare that with Uniswap, I think Uniswap is around about $7 billion in terms of market cap. PancakeSwap really, considering it in many respects, it is the more superior exchange in terms of the fact that it is cheaper and faster. Still has a long way to go. And like I say, you're seeing very similar things set up in the charts. This is the Pancake against the US dollar chart, and this is the Uniswap chart. You can see how they both start. The genesis is very much the same for both these projects, and I think this is going to continue. I think you are essentially going to see PancakeSwap when we don't have a lot of price data to go from. What I always do is find a similar product, and I always look at how that performed into the future, and we can kind of base what PancakeSwap might do, given its fundamentals, given that it's the same thing really as Uniswap. However, it's significantly faster and cheaper, at least until Ethereum sort their mess out in terms of the gas fees. You can really sort of gauge what PancakeSwap might do in the future. Also, Uniswap is inflationary. I think they have an inflation rate of somewhere around 3%. PancakeSwap is essentially trying to be deflationary in the fact that they burn a lot of cake every time that a transaction takes place. And I was looking at how much cake was burnt, and it's a significant, you can see and keep track of all the cake that's burnt, and it's significant. So they are trying to be deflationary. So this is also going to have a real effect on the sort of price. And really, we're going to see a battle of the dexes. I think we'll see other dexes pop up. There are other dexes out there other than PancakeSwap and Uniswap, SushiSwap, Mooniswap, etc., etc. I really do wish, one of my sort of pet peeves is that they really need to think of better names for these projects. It's just stupid that they're calling it PancakeSwap. I'm sorry, guys, but you see, when anybody is looking to get into the space, they will probably, you'll have Uniswap and PancakeSwap. You're probably more likely to go to Uniswap, not knowing anything about the two projects, just based on the name. PancakeSwap makes it seem a little bit silly, a little bit sort of a bit of a joke. Whereas if they'd called it something like, I don't know, Legacy Swap or something with a bit more serious, a bit more of a serious aura to it. I actually think that would help adoption and in the long term. So right here on the PancakeSwap homepage, we can see that you can farm, you can stake. They offer really good farm rates, but to get that 1,000%, it's extremely risky, and you will essentially be sort of a mixture of staking and providing liquidity. And if the price is volatile and there is irrational movements in the price, you will probably lose a hell of a lot of money, or at least the initial money that you put in. So you can make money on these. You can make money with farming through PancakeSwap. However, there is an element of risk, of course. We're not going to cover that in this video, though. I may go into how you can actually earn money on PancakeSwap in later videos. But for now, we're going to focus on really what PancakeSwap is and the price potential. So there is a lottery as well, which I thought was a very, very interesting feature, where you can actually enter and you stand a chance of winning the prize. And as a result of PancakeSwap being a cheaper sort of exchange to use and a faster exchange to use, you can really see that reflected in the volume. Considering this is a relatively new DEX, its volume is actually more than Uniswap, which is the largest DEX. So the volume of Uniswap is currently 849 million, and the volume in PancakeSwap is 875 million. So significant difference. I think there's more liquidity on Uniswap than there is PancakeSwap. However, this may change over time. And essentially how you use PancakeSwap, I'll shut some of these tabs for us so that hopefully the video isn't lagging too much. How you use PancakeSwap is essentially you go over here to trade. You connect your MetaMask wallet. They'll give you a list of wallets to connect. You can download your Binance Chain wallet, which is a somewhat easy way to do. But because most people use MetaMask or focus on MetaMask, you essentially click to sort of allow your MetaMask to connect. It will ask you if you want to. You needed to have configured your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. And once you have done that, you're really good to go. If you want to know how to do that, go over to Binance's website. There will be information on how to configure your MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. And then essentially what that will do is we'll give you, as you open your MetaMask wallet, you'll have at the top, whether you're sort of on the Ethereum network, you can click on that and go to your Binance network, and you will then be able to trade on PancakeSwap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the rates. So we'll do Ethereum against Chainlink, and I'll show you what the alternative would be on Uniswap to see if we are getting a good deal. So on Uniswap, 1 Ethereum will get you 52.1 link. You have obviously, a slippage fee, a liquidity provider fee, and then you'll have the gas fees, which will be extortionate in my opinion. Now you actually hear it's kind of coming up that you'll get a better deal on Uniswap. However, the gas fee that you pay really sort of balances that out. It's because the gas fees are so high, you will probably actually end up spending less money to make and actually ending up being better off using PancakeSwap than you would Uniswap. The sort of fee for making this is significantly smaller than it is on Uniswap, and that's just because Uniswap, of course, is run on Ethereum's network, and PancakeSwap is, of course, run on the Binance Smart Chain, which is like, I think 4p or something, 4 cents is the last fee that I paid on PancakeSwap, and the last one I paid on Uniswap I think was $30-something, and that was quite a while ago. So what does this mean for the price? Well, as we can sort of see, there isn't a lot of price history for PancakeSwap. However, we do have more history for Uniswap, and you can see that these tokens really started their genesis off in a similar way. Essentially, they came out and then they sold off. You see the same thing happening with PancakeSwap today. And I think essentially what you're going to see is this could be the bottom, and you could see a similar sort of rise that you saw with Uniswap. So I think, in considering that the market cap is so low at 1.5 trillion, I think Uniswap is around about 7.2 billion. Sorry, not trillion, 1.5 billion for PancakeSwap, and I think Uniswap is round about 7 something billion. So you have a long, there is a good growth potential for PancakeSwap, and personally I actually think that you are going to make money with PancakeSwap if you are investing in it today. I think over this year you will make a considerable return on your initial investment. And if you can kind of add that into the fact that you could use PancakeSwap to, stake your cake, you could provide liquidity to also earn extra income with your cake, and you can actually yield farm, which I definitely don't recommend if you don't know what you're doing. There is quite a lot of potential in PancakeSwap with their sort of token being called Cake, and it's when you add everything together, I think there is a real opportunity with PancakeSwap. So what am I doing? Am I buying PancakeSwap? Well, I actually have some PancakeSwap already that I'm staking. I may look to provide liquidity. I provide liquidity on Uniswap. I don't provide it on PancakeSwap. I may look to provide liquidity on PancakeSwap as well. And I'm really going to try and get into a little bit of the sort of sort of things you can do on PancakeSwap, and I'll give you more of an update on sort of passive income and stuff like that you could possibly generate from PancakeSwap in the future. But for this video, it's really just to kind of explain to you what PancakeSwap was, and if there is a real price potential going into the future, if there's a good price potential going into the future. And in my opinion, there absolutely is, guys. We are seeing the explosion of sort of DeFi and the move towards a decentralized world. And I think part of that is decentralized exchanges growing with that. So that is really all I have for you in this video, guys. If you have appreciated this content, drop me a like. Let me know what you think in the comments about personally what you're doing. Are you investing in PancakeSwap? Do you see it being continuing to grow? What are your thoughts and concerns on PancakeSwap? I'd really like to hear that. I'm trying to sort of learn and grow with you guys throughout this year and into the future. So I'd really like to sort of hear your perspectives on it. And really, that is all I have for you in this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos because they're coming out daily. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next YouTube video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video.